Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Slack channels with new Gmail alerts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update Slack channels with new Gmail alerts, begin by logging into your Gmail account. Next, navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Choose Create a new filter to begin setting up your Gmail alerts. In the filter settings, specify the criteria for your alerts, such as specific emails or keywords. Click Create Filter once you've defined your criteria. Now, check the box next to Forwarded to. If you haven't set up forwarding, click on Add Forwarding Address. Enter your Slack email integration address. You will receive a verification email in Slack. Open Slack and confirm the forwarding address by clicking the verification link. Return to Gmail and finish creating your filter by selecting the Slack email address. Click Create Filter to save your changes. Next, go to your Slack workspace. Access the channel where you want to receive Gmail alerts. Click on the channel name at the top of the screen. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Here, check the integrations available for your channel. Look for the email integration option and click Add. Follow the steps to integrate the email address you set up in Gmail. Once connected, Gmail alerts will now post directly to your selected Slack channel. Test it by sending an email that matches your filter criteria. Check your Slack channel to confirm the alert appears. You are now set up to receive Gmail alerts in Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.